These are our focus words: morning, afternoon, dog, cat, cookie, and popcorn. The book we're reading today is called All Through the Week with Cat and Dog. All Through the Week with Cat and Dog. On Monday morning, Dog made cookies. On Monday afternoon, Cat ate the cookies. On Tuesday morning, Dog made sandwiches. On Tuesday afternoon, Cat ate the sandwiches. On Wednesday morning, Dog made pies. On Wednesday afternoon, Cat ate the pies. On Thursday morning, Dog made pizza. On Thursday afternoon, Cat ate the pizza. On Friday morning, Dog made popcorn. On Friday afternoon, Cat ate the popcorn. On Saturday morning, Dog made cakes. On Saturday afternoon, Cat had a tummy ache. On Sunday morning, Dog slept late. On Sunday afternoon, Cat felt great.